We're back on that job that we started from the ground. We were putting in fill dirt. We have gone from that to footings, then pouring. Last time we were here with the framers, they were starting, and now they've gotten, probably 3/4 of the way through. They've got the house a little bit wrapped. They're still working, but just wait until you see this. It's pretty phenomenal. On the back side of this addition, we have the garage area. Just a big 3-car garage. They're gonna be able to put their toys in here. Gonna have plenty of room for it now. Behind me, we have a sunroom. They're gonna be able to sit there, enjoy their coffee in the morning. I just showed you the sunroom and the garage. We've got an exercise room, a snack bar, a billiards area to play pool. Big vaulted ceiling out here. It opens up into a spacious, beautiful sitting area. Now we're gonna head up, we're gonna check out the view loft. It looks over a nice, beautiful pasture. They've got a home office in this corner, a home office in this corner, and they've got a bathroom right in the middle. Right here's home office number 1. Big picture window, natural light. Here's the restroom. Gonna have some natural light there as well. Pretty big for a loft area too. And then here's the second home office. Then, if we turn around, we'll show the real moneymaker at this one. Can you guys imagine the sunsets they're gonna be able to watch out this big picture window? Just check it out. A lot of people would have just gone and bought a brand new house, but these people decided to keep what they have, their beautiful view, their home, and just add on to it. They've almost doubled this house in size. There's no job too big, there's no job too small. PICO covers it all. And I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but I'm kind of glad it did.